This is part number 3 of the Mendeley tutorial series. In this video we are going to be introduced to the different kinds of menus within Mendeley's desktop interface. Starting off we have 1. Add Files menu, use this to add new entries to your Mendeley library. 2. Folders menu, use the Add Folder button to create a new folder to organize your Mendeley library. This will create a folder within whatever you're currently viewing. If used on all documents, it will create a new top-level folder. If used on an existing folder, it will create a nested folder with the current folder as the parent. Use the Remove Folder button to remove the folder you are currently viewing. Note that this will not affect any documents within the folder. 3. Sync, use this button to force Mendeley to perform a sync. This will push any changes you've made to your library up to the cloud for storage, making them available on other devices and computers. You should sync frequently in order to ensure that your most recent changes are saved to the cloud. 4. Search, use this field to search your Mendeley library. Note that Mendeley desktop's search function is context-specific. Performing a search while viewing a particular folder will only search within that folder. Make sure All Documents is selected if you want to search your entire library. Click into the search field to set it as active. Additional search modifiers can also be selected using the drop-down menu that appears next to the magnifying glass while the field is active. Note that Mendeley desktop search function will also return results within the text of PDF documents within your library, in addition to the contents of the document's details. 5. Discovery, Mendeley allows you to discover new references in a number of different ways. From within Mendeley desktop, you can use literature search to search within Mendeley's crowdsourced catalog. Alternatively, you can use Mendeley Suggest to receive bespoke recommendations based on your area of study and the contents of your library. 6. My Library, view the entire contents of your personal library by selecting All Documents. Mendeley also offers a number of ways to filter your library. Any folders you create will also be listed under the My Library section. 7. Groups, any groups you join or create will be listed under this heading. The icon that appears next to the group's name indicates the group type. 8. Main panel, when in browsing mode, the main panel of Mendeley desktop will display the contents of the selected view. You can use the column headings to quickly reorder the contents. Double-click an entry with a PDF attached, indicated by an icon, to open it in the PDF reader, see below. 9. Details panel, the rightmost panel of Mendeley desktop contains the details of whichever library entry you currently have selected. This will show the relevant detail fields for the document type, along with their contents. You can use this panel to modify an entry's details. The Notes tab that appears at the top will allow you to view any notes you've created for the entry. 10. Filter panel, the filter panel offers several different options to allow you to quickly filter your current view. Note that, like search, the filtering is context-specific. The panel will only display filtering options relevant to your current view. For example, when viewing a particular folder, only the authors of entries within that folder will appear as options for filtering. To filter your entire library, ensure that the All Documents view is selected. The next video will discuss how to add documents in Mendeley using the Mendeley desktop interface.